What's up kakabsat, ang nagawa po ka nagpipintas for today's video. Asin no kanyayo iti mailiwan amapan ijay syudad iti Baguio. Amuyo ba nga dati 20 at tourist spot ang mabalinyo apapanan tata 2025 ijay Baguio City. No nakaredy kayon? Dahito yun kakabsat iti 20 must visit places in Baguio City 2025. Let's go!
There's no doubt that Baguio City is one of the most exciting places to visit in the Philippines. The city of Baguio, which is also known as the City of Pines, or the summer capital of the Philippines, has been a top destination for both local and foreign tourists who want to experience the city's cool climate. Besides its perfect weather, the city has countless attractions that will surely surprise you. Please help make this channel relevant by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Beach.net.
Here are some amazing tourist attractions you should not miss when you get the chance to visit the City of Pines.
Okay, number 1 is Lion's Head.
Baguio is famous for popular attractions like Lion's Head. This is a gigantic lion's head rock which measures 40 feet in height and is located along Kenan Road. Lion's Head was built in the late 1960s and has become one of the most recognizable landmarks in Baguio City. Bencab Museum is located in Asin Road, which is 15-minute drive away from the center of Baguio City. This art gallery is one of Baguio's frequently visited tourist spots, owned by national artist Benedicto Reyes Cabrera, better known as Bencab. The museum houses Bencab's artworks and art collections which are mostly of Cordilleran origin.
Bencab Museum.
Here's a great addition to
Tamawan Village. Actually, ti Tamawan Village nabay ko datan nga mangmangag idi. Tamawan Village. Kaya lang iti kinabayag ko nga nag-eskwela dita Baguio City. Never ko pa nga napananday ta Tamawan Village.
Your Baguio City escapade. This village is found in Barangay Pinsao, 4 kilometers from Baguio City's center. Tamawan Village is a cultural and art center built by local artists, where you can get a glimpse of the Cordilleran life. Anyone who loves arts will absolutely love this place.
Okay, so sabihin ko lang ti La Trinidad Benguet ket saan aparati iti Baguio City. Agsabali iti La Trinidad Benguet ken Baguio City. Though Baguio City and La Trinidad Benguet is pareho nga parati iti probinsya iti Benguet, pero agsabali apo haan nga parati iti Baguio City iti La Trinidad Benguet.
Let's take a look at the strawberry fields in La Trinidad. The strawberry farm in La Trinidad Benguet, located just 30 minutes away from Baguio, is one of the highly recommended places to visit when traveling to Baguio City.
Paalala gayam nagpurpuros kayo iti strawberry hanyo nga isubsubo nga dagos bugwan nyo nga muna. Hanga di parang padakas gamin amoy iti pagsibsibog dalita. Amoy iti pagsibsibog da pagagapan na. I-research yo. So nga dapat no nagpuros kayo iti strawberry hanyo pa nga kangkanan nga nagdagos.
Picking fresh strawberries in this La Trinidad farm is definitely an awesome experience that should complete your Baguio visit.
Bilchert.
After
iti Bilchert duhat ang
strawberry field,
duhat ang mo nga iti Bilchert. May sa iti Baguio City iti banda ti sanitary camp. Taji sanitary camp namin ide ijay nga nagjan iti manungaman smat. Hindi nagtrabaho iti ta Baguio. Kun idi nag-eskwela up. Tapos di may sa nga Bilchert nga amok ijay La Trinidad Benguet nga kaabay ijay kapilya iti Iglesia ni Cristo. So napapangkag yung TBS yung banda at ati jay dalan nga mapanji kapila ti Iglesia ni Cristo kaabay na lang Bilchert na diay.
experience, Bell Church is a great stopover before heading back to Baguio City's center. The colorful facade and intricate designs make this Chinese temple very attractive. The Bell Church is founded in 1960 and has become one of the most visited in the city.
Valley of Colors.
When visiting Bell Church, don't forget to take a snap of Valley of Colors' beautiful view, which is located just a few meters away from the
Kape
temple.
na lang dito ang banda. Bill Church. Doon Valley of Colors.
This next one is another historical site and a must-see
The
attraction in
mansion.
Baguio. The mansion house was built in 1908 to
Actually, dati, the mansion, right park, and Mines View, halos inal daw din nga malablabasa dahil tangalog lugar ro pana G eskulaan JUC kami nagagapag iti itogon binget everyday dito ang malablabasa hindi kaslangan kung map-appreciate launay ngay kung map-appreciate launay dahil tanga view kaya lang tatanga kinabayag ko nga datuin Pangasinan kasi na mamimiss kumutan nga papananagat ang lugar.
serve as the official summer residence of U.S. Governors General and is now the official summer residence of the President of the Philippines. Although tourists aren't allowed to go inside, the place still has excellent views in every aspect.
Right park.
Just in front of the mansion house is Wright Park, which is one of the many scenic parts of Baguio. Wright Park is an open green space, so feel free to walk around the area and admire its natural beauty. Wright Park is also a popular venue for horseback riding, which will surely give you
May bak lang dati taga dito yung enmi nga agpapahire iti kabalyo dita banda ti Wright Park. Taga to banda ti Santa Cruz, Santa Cruz, San Jacinto, Pangasinan. Taga Jeddah. Kaabay mi lang data nga barangay.
an amazing experience.
Botanical Garden.
Not far away from Wright Park is this visually satisfying and relaxing Baguio attraction. Botanical Garden
Dito man yung kanahin kong malablabasan, hindi nga halos everyday nga malablabasan tijip nga pagluglugan ng Botanical Garden. Pero di kinabayag ko nga luwablabas ita, never ko pa nga naunag dito nga Botanical Garden dito Baguio City.
provides a nice contrast to the surrounding busy urban city center. Absolutely worth visiting.
Mines View.
5 kilometers away from the heart of Baguio is Mines View Park. This is one of the city's main tourist destinations, and also one of the most Instagram-worthy spots in the city of Pines. From the top of Mines View are the majestic view of Baguio's mine.
Nato yung Mines View kakabsat. No agapok iji itogon nga banda gamin ti pagkawawid ak iti luwakan itogon binggit nga ti trabaho dat nga banda ket kwa minas agbi minas lagi tattao dit nga banda dagi agal alang iti gold tantano nakaluwan kami ti makit-kita mi datan nga kwa ti Mines View nagapo kami dito itogon binggit nga banda habang nakaluwan kami ti matantan-awan mi datan
And Cordillera Mountains. This is perfect for sightseeing.
Good Shepherd.
This religious convent in
Convent.
Baguio is well known for Baguio City's great goodies and sweet treats like ube jam, peanut brittle and strawberry jam. Good Shepherd is only a short walk away from Mines View Park.
Camp John Hay.
This place was formerly a military base of the United
Dati Camp John Hay dati experience mi di nga ya. Anda kami ti school activity mi dati UC Laboratory School, the elementary department nga banda. Dati activity mi ti di whole day ay tatana abutan kami tinagpigsa nga todo dagi ubing nga kadwa mi di ka kakaasida. So tinangyari di sa guys nga sinunsundo dagi parents dagi ubing. Nababasa kami dito nga banda.
States Armed Forces and has now become one of the best attractions in the city of Pines. Camp John Hay is simply the best place for walking, jogging, and also great for picnics. The view of this place is breathtaking. It is the perfect place to visit if you're a nature lover.
Treetop Adventure.
Next exciting attraction is Baguio's Treetop Adventure. This is one of the most distinctive and amusing recreational parks in the Philippines. Treetop Adventure offers extreme activities to tourists seeking for a heart-stopping adventure. The place also offers spectacular views and relaxed atmosphere.
The Diplomat Hotel. No.
This next tourist destination might be a little creepy. Built in 1913, the Diplomat Hotel has been considered one of the most haunted.
May sama natin iti lugar iti Baguio nga ko. Hangko pa nga napanan. Kinabay ko nga nag-stay nga nag-iswila nito yung Baguio. Never ko pa napanan natin. Pero tagi kakaiswila iti ko, kakaiswila iti college. Istorya anda tagi taano ko kaapan nato iti nga banda.
Places in the Philippines. It was believed that Japanese forces invaded the property and committed barbaric acts. To Baguio's Session Road.
Dati di nga iti pagdaldalan ng iti nga shortcut from UC no rush hour iti timalam niya agap apura akti pag nag iti tuwid nga banda. Tano pagkalabas mo gamit iti nga banda ket iti ko nga SLU Laboratory School pagkababam niya nga banda ka asidegan di paradaan mi nga mapan iti itugon. Ito yung so ti pagpag na iti nga shortcut nga agawid timalam.
This magnificent cathedral sits on the top of a hill overlooking the city. Many visitors flock to see the church and take a photo while devotees visits the church to along Upper Session Road and is now one of Baguio's most visited places. Casa Vallejo is also a lovely old-fashioned place to stay when visiting Baguio.
SM City Baguio.
It's no surprise that this mall does not need air conditioning because of the city's perfect cold weather. SM City Baguio stands on Luneta Hill on top of Session Road. What's awesome about SM Baguio is that it's one of the best designed SM malls. It's also placed on top of the hill.
Natin nga SM Baguio edi since agabit SM Baguio kun UC at ay time edi nga kurang ti allowance ko una on ti allowance ko niya apang ko abangan ni manong ko toy edi toy SM iti sirok na banda ta itada nga deliver ibagbagsak dagi vegetables nga ikarkargada itanay supermarket. So dati nga SM City Baguio kat dati ko ngay pakalaglagay pakmalaeng ta ito iding awat ni manong ko di allowance ko nagkur ko lang iti allowance.
Which
Okay, Baguio City Public
you
Market.
should never leave Baguio without dropping by in this Baguio City's public market. This market has everything you need. From the usual stuffs, fish, meat, fruits and vegetables to handicrafts, woodworks and local clothes.
Actually, adamo lang tiwagwagan nita abe na data. Tenterikod iti paglalakwan iti fruits and vegetables kana kita palpalaman dagiti pasalubong gilikod ng bandareta dati wagwagan mutla ang mabaling pagkatangan ti wagwag nga shoes kas kada badbato kas kada bag.
You'll absolutely find it all here. This is but
Dati manan no adagi si istorya nga ubingkat mga ko Burnham Park wrong ti gusto nga tawag dita kat Burnham Park nga Burnham Park
certainly not the least is the mother of all parks in Baguio City. Burnham Park is considered to be one of the most famous parks in the country. It is located at the center of Baguio. This park is huge and has a lot to offer. There are countless of activities to do like boat and bicycle rides, picture taking, sports and shopping for souvenirs. Everything is in this park.
So, dagitoy kakabsat iti 20 places must visit in Baguio City 2025. Tatakabsat no, datihan man nga naikarga dito a video, i-comment nyo dita comment section, tapno makita tayo noon niya dagita lugar nga saan nga nabanggit ita nga video tayo. Tata, madyo nga lipatan iti ag-like, ag-comment, ag-subscribe, kan i-hit yung notification bell tapno updated kayo ti baro nga video nga i-upload ko. No next video tayo manan, paalam!